Hi, my name is Ivanka and welcome to Stape. In this video, we're gonna explain what server-side tracking is and how it can benefit your business. We'll also highlight the key differences between server-side tracking and the traditional client-side tracking method. Let's get started. Before we dive into the details of server-side tracking, let's quickly go over how client-side or traditional web tracking works. Understanding client-side tracking will make it much easier to see the key differences between the two methods of tracking. Client-side tracking collects data directly from the user's browser. When someone visits a website, their actions like page views, clicks, or any other interactions are sent to ad or analytical platforms directly from the user's browser. While client-side tracking is commonly used, it has some limitations. Let's take a look at a few of the main drawbacks that businesses face when relying solely on this tracking method. Ad blockers. Users often download ad blockers to prevent unwanted ads, but these tools can also block tracking scripts, which means some user actions are never recorded and your data becomes incomplete. Short third-party cookie lifetime. iOS restrictions and browser privacy features significantly shorten cookie lifetimes and impact tracking accuracy. Safari's intelligent tracking prevention limits cookies to just 7 days, while third-party cookies in other browsers are often deleted after around 30 days. It can make it harder to track returning users or build accurate long-term profiles. No control of data sharing. When using client-side tracking, ad and analytics platforms can access all the user data sent to them. This lack of control can result in privacy concerns, as you can't fully control how vendors use and store that information. Slower website performance. Tracking scripts run in the user's browser, which can increase page load times. This can slow down the website, affecting user experience and potentially leading to the higher bounce rates. Slower load times can also negatively impact SEO, as search engines prioritize fast-loading pages for ranking. Server-side tracking offers a powerful solution to overcome these issues. Let's explore how it works and why it's a better alternative for accurate and reliable data tracking. Server-side tracking moves data processing from the user's browser to your server. When someone interacts with your website, the data is sent to your server first and only then shared with other platforms. So you can decide what information to keep, modify, anonymize, or remove before sending it out. Long story short, you have a full control over your data. With server-side tracking, you're not just solving the issues we discussed earlier, you're also unlocking a range of benefits that can make your tracking more accurate, secure, and efficient. Let's take a closer look. Collect more data in your analytics. Server-side tracking helps you avoid data loss due to browser restrictions and ad blockers. You capture more conversions, get clearer attribution, and see what's actually driving your marketing. With better data, you can optimize campaigns more confidently, improve your return on ad spend, and build more accurate remarketing audiences, which leads to better results overall. Stay privacy compliant. You are the one who decides what data each vendor receives. They can only access the information you configured in the request. With server-side tracking, you can manage data storage and sharing more securely, ensuring compliance with privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Get faster website performance. Since tracking happens on your server, it doesn't slow down the user's browser. This results in faster page load times, improving user experience, and overall site performance. With the right setup, server-side tracking becomes easier to audit, maintain, and improve over time. At Stape, we support teams with the infrastructure and tools needed to launch and keep server-side tracking reliable, from hosting and monitoring to debugging and ongoing optimization. So if you want to take tracking to the next level, Stape has everything you need to make it happen. Thanks for watching this video and see you on the server side.